Damn. Are you listening?
So we're gonna build a camera overhead rig, and that's so that you can put your camera like this one right here, where you can have your camera on top and you can take shots down below like we have right now. I'm actually recording everything you see here. This is really simple. You go to your hardware store, you pick up the parts, and basically you just put it together. Very limited tools required, or if no tools at all might be even required for that project. So let's dig down into this. For this project, I'm trying to get this rig to be as agile as possible, to move around, to have flexibility, to get it out of the way. And what I came up with is I'm using 3/4 inch pipe, but you can use probably 1/2 inch. The one that I'm using right now to hold my rig right now on top here is actually made out of 1/2 inch and a whole bunch of different welding and stuff like that. This one is going to be a lot simpler and easy to put together. So all we got was 2 pieces of pipe, and these are about 16 inches long, and then you have one piece here for 12, you have another one here around 8, and this one here around 6. You have some 3/4 inch flange right here, 2 of them. Okay, so we have four elbows here. We have two nipples. They're about inch and a quarter long. I mean, they can be shorter, and basically you can do that to the height that you want. I want it to be around, it's gonna be about 40, I think around 40 inches tall. We also have a clamp to hold it down, and we have a couple screws here, and we have this to hold up our camera on there. So let's go ahead. I also got some paint, some spray, so I might somewhere in the future spray it in black if I choose to. So that's all we need for the project, and here we go. So our first one, we're gonna take the long one, the 16 inches one, because I want this to be as tall as possible. We're gonna screw this in. That's how it's gonna be standing, and it's gonna be at the edge of the table, so you're gonna use that to hold it down. So we have our first one screwed in. We're gonna put our elbow. We have our first elbow right here. So now we're gonna bring it across. I think this one is gonna be extra one, so we're gonna put this on the side. We have no use for that. So we have this one going across. So you can see how we look in here. There we go. Now we need our next. This one is going to go up. Like this. And now we want to go up again. Go up again, so you can see right now. Go. There we go. And we're gonna go another elbow. Here. Perfect. This is it right here. Next one, going across. At the top of it, we're gonna put our last elbow, and basically that's now these there, you want to be those 2 here on top. Especially these here, you want it to be as tight as possible. So you might want to get a tool and tighten that up, because that's where you're going to hold the camera, and it's going to have a bit of weight, so you don't want it to be turning down. Really use your hands to just tighten them as much as you can. So, and then on top here, you're going to get your nipple, and the nipple goes on top here. And then your flange for the top is going to go in here, and just screw this in. So guys, you can see how I have this one set up here. And I like that I can move it out of the way if I'm not using it. It's easy to move here. I just can just unscrew. I can just unscrew this from here and just take it out, and that's the same idea we're gonna have here. So this one is basically gonna be here just like this, and the camera the camera is gonna fit on it. Again, for the top one here, make sure you tighten it as tight as possible because you don't want it to drop down with the camera. These guys, simple as that. Almost no tools needed, but you might want to use a wrench to get it as tight as possible, like I said. So this is going to go here like this. And here she is. So you can move it wherever you want. The camera will be on here. And you can see it's pretty stable. Just need to clamp it down here properly. And I can figure out where I want to put it. So for now, I'm going to take out this one here. So this camera here, we can easily just remove this. And you can see how easy they have to come out. Just remove the clamp. So I made this so that it can move around. I can move it to wherever I want, put it here, bring it over here. And this, I have it this way so that it's out of the way. So looking here, I have my space underneath here, so it's not here. I could go up straight, but the reason that I have it like this is because I can always push it in the corner like this and come down here. I can move it around over here, turn it over here, wherever I want. I can have it. Almost here. I'll go ahead and put my camera hold on here. I will leave the link for this in the description down below so you guys can check this out. This is going to give it one bolt. It's a 1/4 inch bolt. Yes. And now we take our camera. This is my T6i. And we can put it on here. Lock it in. Voila, here we go. You can see I can get it straight. Just get my shot how I want it. So right now I have it going straight like this, so that's perfect. If I wanted, I could bring it like that. So I was sitting at an angle and I wanted to come this way, I could go like this. Just like that. Pretty nice. Guys, everything you see here cost me below $50 for everything here. Depending on the kind of material you buy, black pipe or cheaper pipes or whatever, you can do this. One of the reasons I did this was because if I wanted in the future, I could easily take it out. I could add more stuff. I could put unions on there. I could put extra stuff to put the lights on. Instead of putting because I was thinking, instead of putting an elbow here, I could put a T here and bring it out and put another one of these here or at the back. And and you can just add stuff to it as you go along. So it's really easy. It's cheap. You can just go in the store, and I did it right in the store in the plumbing department. I just built it myself on the ground, get all my stuff. Just start from the flange to go up, and that's it. What I like how it goes in the corner here. So you can open it like that, put it in the corner here when you're not using it, or put it like that. I bring it out, put it like this, and this is it. I know this is one of the best ones I've ever seen. I will make another video on this when I'm done with it, when I paint it up. If I add more stuff to it, I will let you guys know. Like and subscribe, I'm out.
Damn. Are you listening?